So when it comes to first starting out in property, one of the things I really want you to think about and really become disciplined in is becoming the go-to authority in your area for the strategy of focus you have chosen. And this is really, really important if you want to succeed in building a property portfolio, finding investor finance, building a solid network. Because if you try and scattergun approach multiple strategies across multiple areas, you're not going to get the authority that you need in order to be able to build that solid property business. And this applies whether you're looking to invest for yourself, whether you're looking to package deals for a fee. It doesn't really matter one bit, because ultimately the go-to authority in something is going to be where people feel confident moving towards. So of course, agents are going to feel more comfortable working with you. Vendors are going to know who you are. You're going to have a reputation, a website, an authority around the solution that you provide. You're going to become the specialist service provider that allows you to become that person everyone thinks about when they have that particular property problem. The more prominent and the more aware of you people are, of course, the more leads are going to flow to you, and the easier it is going to be to convert those deals. So whilst you're going out and generating leads, you've got to make sure that you're also simultaneously building that personal brand, that authority around the thing that you're doing. And of course, the more specific you can be around that solution that you provide, the person that you provide that solution for, the service that you offer, the easier it is going to be to build that authority more quickly, which is going to get you more leads, which is going to make those leads easier to convert. You're going to find that pipeline filling up in no time. Happy sourcing.